Hi, this is Mufaddal and welcome to Cost of Capital. In this chapter, keep in mind that all we are studying is the weighted average. So if you keep that in mind, this chapter becomes easy. Here, the weighted average is that of the costs of different securities. Any firm issues two types of securities in general. One is stock, the other is debt. Now, each of these things, stock and debt, has got a cost. The cost of debt is yield to maturity. The cost of stock is the return expected by the investors. All we do is we find the weighted average of these two securities. Now the weight over here is the market weights. So market weight means we find the market value of stock divided by the market value of the firm. The weight of debt is the market value of debt divided by the market value of the firm. The market value of the firm is nothing but the addition of market value of stock and the market value of debt. If we keep this in mind, this chapter becomes easy. It is nothing but an average. And now in this chapter, the whole problems lies in trying to find the costs of debt, the cost of equity. There are three different ways in which you can find the cost of equity. Cost of debt is generally your yield to maturity, and you have to find the market value of stocks and debts. So if we keep that in mind, that this is all we have to do, this chapter becomes relatively simple.